If you've lost access to your Cape Cod 5 cent savings bank account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the bank's website. Go to the official Cape Cod 5 cent savings bank website. Look for the Forgot Password or Account Recovery link on the login page to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select alternative recovery options. Once you click on the recovery link, choose the option that allows you to recover your account without a phone number. This may include options like email verification or answering security questions. Step 3. Provide required information. Fill in the necessary information as prompted. This typically includes your account number, email address associated with the account, and any other identifying information the bank requires. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Sesrock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access to your account, consider updating your recovery options. Add a new phone number or additional email addresses to ensure you have multiple ways to recover your account in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Cape Cod 5 cent savings bank account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider visiting a local branch for further assistance.